ni youth and alo mani korongo. Ninga I posso vakalo ngataka para mental health honorable mani tamata. Kuranga na honorable minister.
Puluminaka, and a very good afternoon to you all. The last time when I was here, we were here for mangrove planting. And after that, we had a Talanwa session. And during the Talanwa session, there was 2 requests that was made to me and my team. One was that the youths of this village wants to open up a barber shop, and the other one was for aged care training. And not while ago, I may say long, just within few months, we are back here again with that promise. And when my team informed me about this closing of this caregiving training and the opening of this barber shop, without any hesitation we said that definitely we will go. But this morning I felt sick, but I forced myself to be here this afternoon to do these honors in presenting the certificates and opening your barber shop. Fijians are well known for caregiving in a number of developed countries, such as Australia, New Zealand, and United States of America. This calling in itself can be a pathway for our youths to gain employment overseas and support their families back home. But let me tell you something. I know most of you are very eager. You want to join the rest of your friends in Australia for this employment. But this job needs a lot of patience. The only reason why we are known best for this field because our Fijians have a lot of patience. And I want to share with all of you today here that there is so many employers from Australia who do visit us to find out and to find ways and means how they can absorb our Fijians into their system over there. Every week we are sending Fijians for this particular job. Initially when we started off with Pacific Level Scheme, there were a lot of demands for the meat industry, horticulture, and some other areas. But now there is more and more demand on aged care. And that is why we are reaching out to our unreached youths in providing this training. Because we cannot just sit back and not to provide the training that you need. Because without these certificates, you won't be able to go. So this is the first step on the aged care, the training that you have undergone. Now this will be a pathway to another course, and we will make sure that we will arrange that for you as well. Because no point just to put a stop over here and forget about you. So you all can be rest assured that that's another level of training that we need to conduct. And I must say here that apart from this institution, there are other organizations now signing with APTC, because at this point in time, the only institution that is recognized by the Australian government is APTC. Right? And there is more and more other organizations signing MOU with APTC to provide this training because of the demand. Because if we only depend on them, maybe we won't be able to send our Fijians for this particular one. And that is why we are providing this training. As I said earlier on, it's a pathway for your employment, and we will make sure that we take it to another level. And when we talk about aged care, it also talks about how you handle them, how you talk to them, how you communicate so that they can understand. There's a lot of things that you people must have gone through this training, but these are some basic things that I wanted to share, because when the employers come to us, they basically talk about all these things. And I will make sure that our assistant youth officer from Rekireki will have a register of all the participants that have undergone this training, and we will make sure that you all are in our registry. Ladies and gentlemen, this afternoon I'm also delighted to officially open and also to hand over the items for your barbershop. And today, as you receive the grant, please bear in mind that this is an indication how truly committed your government is towards all forms of development. And I want to reiterate that please make full use of this assistance to help your skills and talents, as well as to strengthen your profile as a youth club in these surrounding areas. You don't have to go to town now. You will have your shop within your village now. But that's not the end of it. I want to urge all of you, especially the members of that respective youth club, to take this to another level. And your Ministry of Youth and Sport is ready to assist you in whatever business that you intend to undertake. Because that's only one income generating project. You will remember that during the Telenor session I have mentioned that there is so many small scale business that you can undertake. And that day you were basically all eager to take up this challenge, which is good, but now I'm giving an opportunity for you to think about other programs and let us know. I wish to challenge you, the youths, to increase your income generation through your projects. Continue to work with us for your benefit and for the community at large. You will also recall that day I have said that gone are the days of our elders. It's our turn to give it back to them. And you, without any hesitation, you people have taken this challenge, and I want to thank you. So, with these few words, once again, I'd like to congratulate all the participants and want to wish you all the very best for your future endeavors.
Dalawa sasaw. Dalawa mo. Saw.
lama.
Snowy.
Kalau oli mo,
Baba. Mr. Baba.
Mili,
Dalawa susaw, dalawa susaw.
May collect go.